If you're managing a Scrum team in Jira and want to keep your stakeholders in the loop, or just want to visualize how your sprint went, knowing how to view and print your sprint report is essential. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to pull up your sprint burndown chart in Jira, walk you through what all the stats and numbers actually mean, and finally, how to print it out with just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident grabbing powerful visual insights from your sprints and sharing them easily, whether that's for a team retrospective or a stakeholder meeting. All right, let's dive in. To start, open up Jira in your workspace as usual. Make sure you've already selected the correct project or space that your sprint belongs to. This part is important because reports in Jira are tied to each project. If you have access to multiple spaces, just double-check you're in the right one. I always like to confirm this by glancing at the project name in the sidebar. It's a small detail, but it saves confusion later. Next, on the left-hand menu, look for Reports. Go ahead and click on that. Sometimes Jira can feel like it hides reports away a bit. They're not always front and center. Once you're inside the Reports section, you'll see a whole list of possible charts. For Sprint Insights, we want the Sprint Burndown chart. Select that from the list. The Burndown chart is like a visual diary of your sprint's progress. It tracks how much work your team had remaining over time, charting that ideal glide path towards zero. Now you'll see an option to select the specific sprint you want to review. This is key if your project has run multiple sprints. Use the drop-down menu to choose the sprint you're interested in. It might take a second or two for the data to load, especially for longer or busier sprints, so don't worry if there's a slight pause here. Once the chart has loaded, take a moment to examine what you're seeing. The main area displays the burndown chart itself with the dates along the bottom. If work was added or removed during the sprint, you'll see that reflected in the scope change logs. Take note of incomplete work items. These are the tasks that didn't get finished by the sprint's end, and they're important for retrospectives. Completed items will be shown too, giving you a quick sense of what the team managed to accomplish. All these pieces together help you spot trends and outliers. Maybe work was added late in the sprint, or something blocked the team and left tasks open. When you're ready to share or save this report, here's the quick trick. Press Ctrl+P or Command+P on a Mac. This instantly brings up your browser's print dialog. From here, you can print the burndown report directly, or save it as a PDF if you'd rather attach it to an email or Slack message. If the print preview looks a little cut off, try adjusting the page layout to landscape for a wider view or zoom out slightly for a better fit. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get the look just right. Getting a clean, clear burndown is worth the extra second. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and printed your sprint report in Jira. Whether you're preparing for your sprint review, sending updates to your manager, or archiving your team's progress, these steps will help you communicate exactly how your sprint panned out. I hope this walkthrough made sprint reports in Jira feel much more approachable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have questions or want more tips, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And for more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.